So we're gonna have to grind all this out anyway. But it's good enough. It's a hell of a lot better than what we had.
Many times better than what's on the car.
Right. So we can straighten that up and go from there. Okay, I got it.
We got it.
You got it.
And we traced it.
Wonderful. Okay.
So it's ready to cut next week.
So, may I ask a question?
What?
I know I just kind of asked a question, but may I ask another one?
You just did.
So
I have a question.
I know.
It's a statement of fact.
Okay. Fuck it, I have a question.
Really?
Yeah. So let me ask, if you compare this, because you can't obviously
Lay it up there.
silhouette it or whatever, what happens if it did cut a team and you had to, what do you use to fill that?
Well,
Like,
Weld
you just would weld it all up.
Weld it, grind it.
Oh, okay.
yep, that's all we're going to do. We're going to just sit there and weld it up. And the truth be told, we're going to try to do something called a butt weld.
Where they're together.
Where you bring them together and then you just go bzzz. Except you can't go bzzz. You have to go bzzz.
So you got a stitch.
Zit, 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 and you just do that like in, and I can make that noise again if you want.
I like that, yeah.
You got to zit your zit. Yeah, this is good.
So you do that at roughly 1 inch intervals because you don't want to put too much heat into the panel. It will warp.
Got it, okay.
So, no, it looks like it can be cut.
We're ready for cutting next week. Do
Nice.
we have butterfly clamps for next week?
No, we don't. I'll have to
round
order
up
some.
some. Yeah.
I'll have to order some.
Let's get some here for Tuesday because what we'll do
That would be a big deal.
Are those like the orange ones that we have?
No, butterfly clamps are little tiny things.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
Okay.
Little tiny things.
Here's a question.
17.
Is Danielle going to let you go out, come here on Tuesday?
I'm here every Tuesday.
It's Valentine's Day.
Ooh. Oh, fuck.
Straight man.
Oh, do you guys
We
really
care.
do Valentine's Day?
Oh, fuck.
You
I don't
could
even
be
got
in
reservations,
trouble.
too. I don't make reservations. I cook stuff.
Okay.
But you could be in
Better
trouble
shop.
if you don't remember that.
Yeah.
I went to the racetrack on my anniversary, so it's fine.
It's fine.
I shouldn't have, but damn it, I had the best anniversary ever. I was at the racetrack.
Okay, so we're keep in mind that this is dented in here. So when we make this cut,
We need to work on this.
we'll have to work this out after the cut is made so that
For
the two
weld
match
to
up.
match the contour.
Yeah.
And we can actually set them on there.
Thank you, and we'll never play Neil Diamond again.
Not just Sweet Caroline. You got to understand. I lived in Key West, right? And
Oh gosh, at every bar.
a lot of women from the South would show up. I want to sing to Sweet Caroline, and they only know 2 words.
And you know which two.
And it's like it's cringeworthy.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's like we were at Bongo Johnny's on Sunday. Bongo Johnny's Sunday. There was a cheerleader convention.
There certainly was a cheerleader
Like
convention.
4-year-old on up, right? And they invaded Bongo Johnny's. And there were some regulars that were walking up to the stairs, and they looked over at me and they said, "Are you waiting? Are you waiting to go up there?" And I said, "Yeah, we've waited for almost 45 minutes now." And I said, "You don't want to go up there." And he said, "Why?" I said, "It has been taken over by cheerleaders," and you could hear the voices. And the guy turns and looks at me, and the expression on his face was like he had just stepped in a pile of shit. And they all turned at the same time and just walked away.
That was a good one.
And actually, we left moments later, and we're walking away, and that one trans waiter comes running down, and Pauline, you know that. Pauline, and so we eventually got seated. We were there for hours.
So Grant spent some time with the grinder this evening. A little farther on this. Got pretty far on our door. We're almost there. So a little bit next time, and we will be okay.